How to add an Google account on Gmail. So if you want to add a Google account on Gmail, or if you want to add an account on Gmail, then first open up your Gmail application. And once you open your Gmail, now you can go for the profile, which is on the upper right, and then go for add another account. And from here you can choose Google. And once you choose Google, now you need to enter your email or your phone number on the first blank. Once you enter your email, tap on next, and here you need to enter your password. So make sure to enter the correct password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for try another way, and you can get help while logging into your account. But if you remember your password, then you can simply enter your password and then tap on next. And now you need to enter the two-step verification. So if you have logged in your Gmail account on another device, then you will have a verification on that device. So you need to simply tap on yes, it's me on the other device. And once you tapped, it will log you into your account. Tap on I agree, and that's it, your account has been logged in. So you can choose that account, and that's it. That's how you add a Google account on your Gmail, or that's how you add an account on your Gmail. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.